morning adventurers. We are in Tokyo, Japan. Specifically, we are in the Harajuku Neighborhood. And we are going to be eating all sorts of things today. Sweet, savory, and we have a very special guest with us.
Hi everyone!
Oh my god, it's TJ from CupofTJ! We're finally meeting up, y'all. Eric and I are kind of fangirl and boying out because we have been following this gal for like 2 years now. We've been chatting, right?
I've been following, you guys for 2 years too. It's been a long time. Now we're finally here together.
And we're gonna eat everything.
Let's do it. Guys, we legit found an owl cat cafe. So they have a different price for cats and a different price for owls.
Can we go, please, right now?
Maybe if you're good.
It'll be so good. For our first stop, we have come to Zaku to try this beauty. It is a cream-filled puff thing, like an eclair, and they bake them fresh right in front of you. They fill it with cream right in front of you, and then you get to try it. We actually also tried their soft serve, which comes in a waffle cone, over on TJ's channel. And we have been trying other delicious things on there. Lots of sugar, spoiler alert.
Much sugar.
But we are gonna give this a try, and then probably move on to some savory stuff. But you have to head over to her channel so you can see all the dishes we tried. We're doing some, she's doing some,
We'll
and
put it
we're
on the
meeting
screen,
in the middle.
right down there.
Yeah. It smells really good.
Crunch.
Look at how much is in there. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's like a really vanilla-y custard in there. And then it's kind of flaky on the outside. The dough is, but then it's got these little crunchy bits all over it. Oh, that's good.
Wow.
Is the cream all the way through?
Wow.
Yeah.
Cream all the way through.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Not on anybody's shoes. We're okay. We're okay.
Whoopsies. This sort of tastes like, what are those churros? Like a churro crunchiness.
That, yep.
With some cookie outer layer and then like a rich, creamy sauce. I like this one a lot.
This one might be my fave so far. It's like sweet, but not overly sweet.
Yeah.
And it's just, it's pretty perfect. And it's small enough that I feel like maybe you wouldn't get a tummy ache afterwards.
Maybe.
Yeah.
This is actually one of the most popular things on the street. So it's good that you guys are trying it. Yeah.
So next up we came to Calbee, which is a brand that makes like snacks and these little potato chips.
Yeah,
I
little
guess.
potato fry things.
Yeah. So we're gonna give them a try. They have all kinds of their stuff on display. They have these amazing little
Look how cute
fry
they are.
keychains.
Oh my god, they have these little
Look,
guys.
it's you. It's Eric and Allison.
Yeah.
Yes, two happy little fries in love.
So what we're gonna do here is they make these little fries and they do them fresh to order, I guess. They're like little crispy potato sticks. We got their cup of fries. I think they're veggie fries.
Yeah.
And then we saw this and we had to try it. They're fresh potato chips, like literally hot potato chips with matcha chocolate on there, which just sounds absolutely terrible to me.
Is that just salt
but
sprinkled on there?
I don't even think I have.
It might be cheese.
Yeah,
huh?
maybe.
Maybe it's cheese and
We
Let's
must
find
try
out.
it. And we gotta try that. Yeah. It sounds delicious to me. Matcha chocolate.
Look, they're so perfect. You can tell they're nice and deep fried, and they're hot. Oh, they're real hot.
They're super hot.
They're hot.
Oh, so they're fresh.
They're fresh.
They're fresh. Ooh, I'm gonna.
Oh my
try
gosh.
these.
Okay, these are pretty good. They're not too salty, but they got a little something with the seasoning in there.
Wait, these are actual fries. I thought it was just gonna be chips. Like
Yeah,
our chips.
I thought they were gonna be hard.
Fries.
They're like gooey in the middle.
This is interesting. It's pretty good. I think nice savory snack to go.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go
Just
with
take
this
it.
one. This big one right here. Yeah, go big or go home.
Do you think that's cheese on there?
I think maybe
find
salt,
out.
some kind of like seasoning.
Okay.
Sweet and savory.
Oh, yeah.
Matcha chocolate is warm and nice with the crunch of the chip. I think it's great. I think
Really?
it's good. Oh.
I'll get a little one, but it's got the matcha and it's got the salt.
You know,
she just laughs. He's not used to the flavor, right? The matcha is like strong matcha.
Yeah, but it's interesting that it's chocolate, and the salt on there does make it nicer. It doesn't have. We recently tried matcha in a dessert, like ice cream.
Yeah.
And that was pretty rough. The aftertaste was bad. But this is good with the salty potato chip. This is a way to eat matcha that's not that unenjoyable.
It adds more flavor with the chocolate.
It definitely does.
So you can actually get a bunch of different types of chips with different stuff on top of them. I'd be pretty interested to try some of these different kinds. This one, maybe not for me, but we got maple syrup and cream cheese.
That sounds pretty good.
And
Yeah.
cheese? Okay,
Yeah,
now
definitely.
that I'm on board.
So next time, we're giving that a try for sure.
Getting our groove on. We're so excited about cotton candy.
Y'all, TJ brought us to this cotton candy shop that makes the biggest cotton candy I've ever seen in my life. How is that even real? And it's multicolored. They were like putting different coloring in it while they were making it. It was really a cool process, but we're gonna be tasting that over on her channel. So make sure you head over there, subscribe so you can see more awesome food videos just like this. And you can watch them go into a sugar coma after this. TJ, this one is so you.
Illuminati cat.
He's always watching.
And Eric, this one is for you.
Yeah.
I don't know if I could pull it off. I think I might need more rainbow.
You got a lot of breathing room in here, which is essential.
Honestly, if you pair with this, it's just
how can you go wrong?
Paint on top, rainbow, suspenders on the bottom.
New merch.
I think I'll put it right in Japan.
Yeah, new merch.
Buy
Yeah.
that merch.
For our final meal, we have come to the Gindaco for takoyaki, which has nothing to do with tacos. They're actually these little balls, and we'll show you when we get up there. But it's a pretty common, I think, street food here in Japan. And I had never heard of them before, so I'm really excited to try something 100% new to us.
And I'm guessing it's pretty popular because as we've been standing here, this whole line formed.
All right, let's get in line.
So takoyaki is a ball-shaped Japanese snack made of a wheat flour-based batter and cooked in a special molded pan, which they are cooking right in front of us on these said pans. It's typically filled with minced or diced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion.
So we got ours with cheese and cod roe on top. I don't really know what kind of cheese, not sure what cod roe tastes like, but it sounded cool. Oh, it smells like the spicy mayo that they put on sushi. And this thing is actually really squishy. Oh man, I didn't get any of the octopus. Well, you can definitely taste the ginger in there. The octopus is really good. It's not too fishy. I like the sauce, the cheese and cod roe. That's interesting. It's more like mayo, though, I think.
Is the cheese and is that the sauce, cheese, and there's cod roe in it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, so that's why.
So it's here.
Yeah, it's on the top. So you can do like a teriyaki one, I think. You could do one with onions. You guys want to try?
Go for it, TJ.
I do want to
in.
try one. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, I do feel the heat just like from holding this. Oh, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cheesy.
Yeah, it looks cheesy and springy. All right, take a bite.
It's just gonna explode out.
Oh, it's good. Nice chew from the squid. Nice and creamy inside. Warm. This is perfect because it's kind of cold.
It is getting cold.
I'm just gonna put the rest in my mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the taiyaki, which is a Japanese pastry. Usually this looks more like a little patty, like a soft patty fish cake, but this is really crispy on the outside. It's almost like a bread.
Yeah.
But this is kind of special.
Ooh.
Yeah, you want to take a bite into this? It's like,
I do.
oh.
So there is no fish in here, actually. This is a dessert. It has red bean paste in it, which is another thing that I'm not the biggest fan of, or at least previously haven't been,
Red
but we'll
bean and
see.
matcha?
Yeah, red bean matcha. Sorry, Japan. I know that's everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna rip off the crunchy bit so I can get to the goodness in here.
Oh, wow.
Still not a fan of red bean.
I love red bean.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It's like Well, in the States, I feel like we don't eat red beans that often. Are they the same as kidney beans? They're different, right?
They're a little different, yeah. But it's so Vending and Matcha, all of its popular flavors in Asia. You find it in every single dessert.
I like this way better than matcha.
Good.
The pastry part is actually really good. It tastes like almost like black beans, like sweetened black beans. It has the same consistency.
Yeah, it's definitely, this is really special. I've never seen this dessert cooked like this.
Yeah.
It's like
cool.
sugar coated. It looks like a crumbly pastry.
Yeah.
It's so fun to watch them flip these balls around. It's kind of like an art form. That is pretty neat. They do it so fast. They have these vending machines all over Tokyo, and they're so friggin' cool.
Yeah, people have been recommending things for us to try from these. Maybe we should do like, I feel like you could do a whole video just eating from vending machines here, and it would be fantastic.
Yeah, we might have to try to do that. If you guys are familiar with these machines, you should tell us your favorite things that you get from the machines. All right, y'all, well, that concludes our delicious festivities for today in our first video here in Tokyo. We are going to be making more. Also, the Way Away are going to be back in our video. Yeah, and they're actually going to be meeting up with TJ in a bit, too. So you're going to see them on her vlog as well eventually once she gets them all edited. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on our little food tour today.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to see the other part, the stuff that you didn't see that I alluded to earlier, head over to TJ's channel to scope out the other part of this video.
See us eat a lot of creamy things.
Creamy, delicious, sweet,
creamy things.
everything you guys love.
Yep.
But I think we're going to leave you here in front of these amazing vending machines that we're also going to have to try eventually, but we'll save that for another video.
Yeah. Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.